Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. I am by name Jadsax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to use pentatonic licks to improvise over a minor song, right? Some song that has their ending note on the 6th degree, which we refer to as La. Okay, so what you can do using your pentatonic licks to substitute for those notes is what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, now you know your pentatonic scale to be do, re, mi, sol, la, do, right? As simple as that. First, you need to know that. Right, this is your pentatonic major scale, and I want us to consider this particular lick. This is la, sol, mi, do, la, sol, do, la. This is it. Let me take it slowly. I'm going to take it more slower than this. Alright? Okay, now this is La, Sol, Mi, Do, La, Sol, Do, La. And now I want us to use this particular one first before we continue. On the song title, I Enter to the Holy of Holies. This was what I did. I played. Okay, this is on the 7th, not on my 6th. But I still come up with a lick, alright, on the 7th. Okay, Totito la sola, mommy, mori. That was what I did there. Okay, now this is the main focus. Now, this was the point I was talking about, alright? Which landed on the 6th. Alright? La now, I'm substituting it with that particular lick I mentioned before, which is played to be what? La, sa, mi, do, la, so, do, la. Or la, sa, mi, do, la, so, la. La, sa, mi, do, la, so, la. Or la, sa, mi, do, la, so, do, la. Either ways, alright? So this is it now. As simple as that. Then you now do. So I started from the 2nd here now, okay? Then very simple. Do, la, do. Just to substitute for the do there, right? Now do. Can you hear that? La, do, la, mi, do, la, so, do, la. Here I did so do la, so do, so. Alright? As simple as that. Alright, here we go. Alright, the intention was actually to teach you how you can make use of your pentatonic major licks to substitute for any note ending or landing on La, which is your 6th degree. But so happy enough, I even came up with some that end on the Do, and of course your Re, which is the 2nd degree. This is good enough for you, and I hope you put all of this into practice. Okay, please let me know on the comment section if you find this easy enough or you find it difficult. Just help me drop it on the comment section, as that will encourage me to come up with more exercises that will help in building you up. And for your intensive one-on-one saxophone training course, I would love you to call or send a WhatsApp DM to +234 8144 058 513. I'm going to take it again, +234 8144 058 513. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, and just beside it you see a bell notification. Turn on the bell notifications, as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops right here in this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial class.